Alright, all I've got a good news that engine is firing now. It wouldn't continue, but it's firing. The fifth one, I took the injector out and opened it on the top and checked for any checked for the washers, and then I had a similar size washer. So not the washer, the O-ring on the top, where I just took that one out. It's actually snowing. You could see snow on my face. So yeah, now after doing that, I did take the leak off thing out, cranked it. The fuel didn't come out of it. So when I crank it now, you could see, there you go, ignition on. So that's what's happening now. So I'm gonna do. I had to do some work on my bike, so I couldn't get much time on this one. So basically, I'm just gonna ask my neighbor to borrow his van and then jump start and keep on trying. The only problem I've done is I've caused damage when I was tightening the injector bolt. Not this one, on this side. It slips, so it tightens and then it comes off. So I think I might have damaged the thread on the bolt, not on the bolt, the way it goes into the sink. So that's a different problem. So I'll keep you posted with my progress. I have to say thank you for everyone, guys, and piston heads. Yeah, thank you. Without you guys, I couldn't have come this far. This is a very positive news. I had it's a joke. It started to snow, then I thought, okay, snowing, so my car must start, because the weatherman said it would rain today.